¿Cómo está? It's Channel 84 Winnipeg. Tonight we're going south of the border for some cheesy, crunchy, meaty, spicy goodness. What's on the menu? Steak and jalapeno quesadillas. Simple to make, but packs a lot of flavor. I'm getting hungry, so let's get cooking.
This recipe does involve some effort, but on the whole, it's not too bad. First and foremost, let's go over our list of ingredients. To start with, I'm using some thinly sliced eye of round steaks, fresh jalapenos, a Tex-Mex cheese blend, tortilla shells. This is a 50-50 of corn and wheat. Finally, to top it all off, salsa. The first thing I did for my steaks was rub a Tex-Mex seasoning blend on them to give it that south of the border flavor. Once the seasoning is rubbed in, I gave them a quick sear in a cast iron pan. Given how thin these steaks were, 1 or 2 minutes per side was all I needed. Once the steaks are seared, put them aside and begin to slice up the jalapenos. As with any cutting instrument, exercise caution. Once your jalapenos are sliced, do the same with your steaks. Now it's time to build our quesadillas. Put cheese on one half of a tortilla, then pile on your steak meat and your jalapenos. Once that's done, cover them with a little more cheese, fold it over, and then transfer to a frying pan. We're on the home stretch, folks. You fry these suckers and keep a close eye on them. About halfway through, give them a flip in the pan, and if you've done it just right, it'll come out with this nice golden brown color, as you see in the video. Look at that. It's a work of art, wouldn't you say? Once they're done, cut them in half, and that's pretty much all she wrote. Quite literally, quesadilla means cheesy little thing, but any way you slice it, these are good anytime. Well, that wraps up another episode of the Cooking Channel, but you don't exactly have to follow this recipe. Try it with chicken, try it with ground beef, try it with pulled pork, or whatever you feel like. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'm JP of Channel 84 Winnipeg, and I'll see you in the kitchen.